Hey everyone, today we're diving into a simple, mouth-watering mussels recipe that's perfect for any occasion. Mussels are not only delicious, but incredibly nutritious. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health, protein, low fat, and vitamins like B12 for brain health. So we're not just making a tasty dish, we're cooking up something that's genuinely good for you. Let's get cooking. First up, we're going to heat 3 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan. Let it melt down until it's sizzling and giving off that rich, buttery aroma. Butter adds a beautiful depth to this dish, making the base super flavorful right from the start. Give it a moment to get nice and hot, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Now that the butter's hot and bubbly, let's add in our minced garlic. Stir it around, letting the garlic infuse the butter with its incredible aroma. This step is crucial because the garlic sets the base flavor for the entire dish. Once the garlic turns slightly golden, we'll add in the grated ginger. Stir it all together and let the ginger's subtle heat combine with the garlic. This combination adds warmth and a hint of spice, making it the perfect foundation for our mussels. Now that our garlic and ginger are sizzling, let's add in the sliced onions. Stir them around, letting them cook down until they're soft and translucent. This step adds a slight sweetness that balances out the flavors from the garlic and ginger. You'll notice the onions starting to soak up all those delicious aromas, which is exactly what we want as we build the flavor base for our mussels. Now it's time to add the sliced tomatoes. Stir them in and let them break down and blend with the onions. This will give the dish a subtle, tangy flavor that complements the mussels perfectly. All right, it's time for the star of the dish, the mussels. Add the freshly washed mussels right into the pan and give them a good stir to coat them in all those beautiful flavors we've been building. Now cover the pan and let the mussels cook for a few minutes. As they steam, they'll release their natural juices, creating a rich, savory broth that's packed with flavor. You'll know they're ready when the shells start to open up. That's when the magic happens. Now that our mussels have opened up and created that wonderful broth, it's time to add some color and spice to the mix. First, let's add in the sliced green chili. If you like it spicy, you can add more or even keep some seeds for an extra kick. The green chili will add a vibrant flavor and a bit of heat to the dish. Next, let's toss in the sliced bell pepper. This will not only give our dish a beautiful splash of color, but it also adds a sweet crunch that complements the other flavors perfectly. Stir everything together gently, ensuring that the peppers and chilies are evenly distributed among the mussels. Now it's time for our fresh chili leaves. If you can find them, they add an aromatic touch that really elevates the dish. Stir them in as well, letting them wilt slightly in the heat. The combination of these fresh ingredients will create a delightful medley of flavors. Now, let's add our seasonings. Start with a generous dash of ground pepper to enhance all those delicious flavors we've layered so far. Remember, you can always adjust this to your taste, but I recommend starting with a good amount to really bring everything together. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. This is key for that umami flavor. It brings a depth to the broth that makes it so satisfying. Fish sauce is a staple in many Asian cuisines and gives our dish a savory kick. Just remember, it's potent, so a little goes a long way. Now for that final touch, let's sprinkle in a pinch of umami seasoning. This will amplify all the rich flavors in the dish, making it even more delicious. Give everything a good stir, making sure all the ingredients are well combined. This allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully and the mussels to soak up the spices and seasonings. Keep an eye on them during this time. You'll notice that the colors brighten and the aroma fills your kitchen, making it hard to resist the deliciousness that's coming your way. Continue to stir for a few more seconds. Cover the pan again and let it cook for a few more minutes. Check on the mussels after 3 minutes. They should be plump, tender, and bursting with flavor. If they're all opened up, we know we're ready to serve this mouth-watering dish. And there you have it. Our delicious mussels recipe is complete and it looks absolutely amazing. The mussels are perfectly cooked and the broth is bursting with flavor. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Thank you. Cheers.